Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you want to become an Excel power user by learning advanced Excel features like macros and VBAs and looking for an advanced Excel course, then you have come to the right place. Earlier, I have shared some of the best Excel courses for beginner, and in this video, I am going to share the best advanced Excel courses for an experienced developer. These online courses will teach you potent Excel features like macros, VBA and all sorts of charts that helps in data visualizations. These are the features that makes Excel a powerful tool for an automations and data visualizations, and that's why it is essential to learn these features to fully unlock Microsoft Excel's potentials. But before diving in, to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates regarding the new videos. Here is my list of some best online training courses to learn some advanced Microsoft features like charting, VBA, macros and data visualizations. These are the ultimate best courses I have come across to learn advanced Excel features, and all the three instructors are very knowledgeable and great teachers. So without wasting any more of your time, let's deep dive into some of the best courses to learn Microsoft in 2022. So the first course on the list is Unlock Excel VBA and Excel Macros that is offered by Udemy's platform. This is one of the most advanced and engaging online course I have come across on learning Excel, VBA and macros. Lilia Grahani, the instructor of this course, dynamically presents all the critical concepts. She took the lesson at an excellent pace, not slowing down too much in simple ideas which makes other courses dull. If you are looking to automate your work using Excel or want to enhance your current Excel files, then this is the right course for you all of the guys. It has more than 22 hours of content, 27 articles and more than 50 downloadable resources for the practice. In these courses, you will get to learn and to enhance your current Excel files and automate your work with VBA. The second on the list is Microsoft Excel Data Analysis with Excel Pivot Table. This course has also been offered by Udemy's platform. This is again one of the best courses to learn data analysis with an Excel on Udemy's platform. I haven't come across a better course than this anywhere else so far. This is the best investment I have made for this year so far. This course is focused on data analysis and practically the pivot table, which is one of the most useful charts for insights and visualizations. This course promises to take your data analysis skills from zero to pro with Excel pivot table, and it indeed does. You will not only learn how to use pivot table and pivot charts to streamline, but also how to absolutely revolutionize your workflow of Excel. This course is fun, engaging, interactive and also contain 10 real support pivot table cases studios, weather shark attack, wine testing, Burrito rating and more to test your skills. So that's all about this particular course. The third on the list is Microsoft Excel Data Visualization, Excel Charts and Graph that is offered by Udemy's platform. This is another excellent course from Chris Tutton to learn about data visualization, Excel charts, graphs, etc. This course promises to teach you more than 20 Excel charts types and graphs and build to custom visual using Microsoft Excel 2016 to Excel 2020, and they also delivered it. You will also start with the basic chart types like PE, lines, columns to more exciting options like waterfall, sunburst and radar charts. The best thing is that he starts with the basic principles of the data visualization and then go to the handle on demo to real show how to do that. He also explains every single concept in plain English, which really strict. The fourth on the list is Microsoft Excel Data Analysis and Dashboard Reporting, which is offered by Udemy's platform. Just in case if you are not able to connect to Chris, highly unlikely, you can also try taking this course from Kyle Pew. He is another excellent instructor on Udemy's platform when it comes to the learning the advanced feature of Microsoft Excel. This course will teach you how to build dynamic interactive Microsoft Excel dashboards using Excel 2010, 2013, 2016 in a completely hands-on way. If for some reasons you are stuck with Excel 2010, 2013, this course can surely help you a lot. Talking about the social proof, more than 5,000 students have trusted this course and it has an average 4.7 rating scores. Guys, this is an excellent course. If you want to join, then sign up for this course. The last on the list is Master Microsoft Excel Macros in Excel VBA by Udemy's platform. This is another course by Kiel, but this time focus on macros and VBA. It is another course similar to the first one on the list and also focus project-based learning, which I look at first when I choose a course. In this course, you will learn how to automate your daily routine tasks within Excel, learn some best practice while using VBAs and macros, and most importantly, learn how to write custom VBA macros to create more about automation. Most of the lessons have been recording using Excel 2013, but Excel 2007 and 10 and 13 or 16 will also work to follow along. It also touches base on VBA programming concepts to create a dynamic reusable code, which is very important once you jump into the real world project.
So that's all about the best 5 courses to learn Microsoft Excel in 2022. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like. If yes, so don't forget to share, comment and like the video.